Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on how to replace blinds. We got the old pull string blinds here. I'm going to be replacing it with the cordless. These are pretty cool. So obviously the first thing you need to do is take down the blinds. I like pulling them all the way up first. Take these clips out. To the side. Remove these old pieces. You want to open the box that says hardware on this side, because otherwise it's going to be hard to get the hardware out. Little clip that come with it. So I'm going off of where the old blinds sat before. But if you don't have that, you can easily put your blinds up to where you want them. Just mark right underneath them where your clips are going to go. Set the blind aside. Now I like using 1-inch drywall screws for these. I hate these small screws because they always slip as you kind of drill them in. Two clips here. Now you're supposed to use 2 screws. So I'm only using 1 because I'm going to replace these with the drywall screws later. So you just put them up. Make sure they're even. Otherwise your blinds are going to look crooked. They're so easy to install comparing to those other ones. The other ones, you gotta get the clips exactly right. These, you just start backwards like that. Push it in. Push it in. And they're done. Put your bar on. And look at this, cordless, just lift it up, pull it down, and that's it. We'll try to do another video on replacing the shower wall. If you guys want it, let me know. Oh, hi there. Welcome back to the channel.